I did it. I cut all my hair off. And I am so thrilled. I was literally standing in the bathroom, looking in the mirror, and I was just like, fuck it. Grabbed the scissors out of the drawer and cut it off. And it looked crazy at first. I definitely had to go to the barbershop. But I just wanted to share with you guys about my big chop journey. 2015 is when I chopped off all my hair the first time. And that was the same year that my awakening started. And everyone's initiation, because I hate the word awakening, it's just so watered down now. But everybody's initiation doesn't look the same, right? And mine was, it was some shit that was made for TV. It was so just mind-blowing. I could not ignore the signs. I could not ignore the synchronicities. I kind of just had to go with the flow and trust myself, trust the universe, and see what the hell was happening. And during that time, I experienced a lot of loss. I experienced just a lot of changes within myself. That first month, my kids ended up moving out from with me. I ended up losing my townhouse. I ended up losing my car. I resigned from my job. All the money that I had, I donated it. I donated all my clothes. I donated all my sneakers. All my everything I had was gone. My life literally went from a whole bunch of everything to me living out of a book bag and like pretty much couch surfing. So I was like moving around. I went from like, I was in Philly, I was in Atlanta, I was just all over the place trying to just find myself, trying to figure out who I am. I had so much pain. I had so much hurt that came from like all the way from my childhood and possibly even before then, like other lifetimes. So a few days ago, I just kind of felt like it was a new cycle for me. And because I had cut my hair off at the beginning of that point, my hair was longer now, but it was everything that I had experienced since my initiation. Everything. Every perspective that I had encapsulated, every thought that I had about myself, every thought that I had about, like, this is so funny to me. I thought I was doing things for Jesus. I literally thought I was doing things for Jesus. And when I cut my hair off the other day, I literally looked in the mirror and told myself I was a god. And I believed it. You can say that shit all day, but if there's no belief in it, there's no power behind it. So when I did it, I believe, I know without a shadow of a doubt who I am. And I feel so much stronger. I feel so much purpose in my life. I just love the fuck out of me. Like, I don't even know what else to say. I don't even know what else to say, but I'm just so fucking thankful. I'm thankful that I came back and got myself and saved myself. 'Cause can't nobody else save you. You gotta save you. I didn't want to continue to post 714 content without mentioning what happened to my hair, for you guys to be like, wait a minute, she just had some inches the other day, like what happened to her hair? But yeah, that's my story. And I said I'm always gonna be as transparent as possible when it comes to my initiations, when it comes to me living this life, when it comes to me making things manifest, because I want people to see how easy it is when you believe. Like, it doesn't do anything if you don't believe, but once you believe, you just become so powerful. Like, you have a level of trust within yourself that's like, it's unshakable. It's unshakable. So my son's calling me, gotta go. Okay, I'm back. So yes, you just have to have a level of belief in yourself that is completely unshakable. And I was thinking about how when I was giving all of my power away to things outside of me, when I would make something manifest, I would be like, oh, must be Jesus, you know, that type of thing. And I'm not knocking anybody, because you can believe what you want to believe. I am not a belief cop. You believe what you want to believe. I believe what I want to believe. So with that being said, I don't want nobody commenting about what I do believe in. I believe in me. That's it. That's all. Was thinking about how I would just do things back then and I would just give it away. I would give that power away. Even times as a child, you know, I would see things, I would experience things, and I would just dismiss it because it was so outlandish. Like one time I dreamt that I was on this different planet and I was with all of these people and they were like my family. Like I couldn't see their faces, but I could feel their energy, and it was like a familiar energy, like a family energy. And they gave me a grape gumball, and when I woke up the next morning, there was a grape gumball in my shoe on the side of the bed. I completely dismissed that experience, knowing that nobody gave me a gumball before I went to bed, knowing that like I didn't put that there, knowing what I saw, I still dismissed it. I would have dreams where I would travel to different places and it would be so real. And again, I would bring things out of the dream, and I would tell my aunt, like my dream last night, and she'd be like, that's just childish, you know, that's just your mind, you know. She would just dismiss it. The little me knew exactly what she was doing, and this is what I grew up to be, your favorite time traveler. And it's my life, it's my power. I'm not dismissive of anything that comes out of me because I trust me on a level where I know I'm not gonna let me down. See, I am connected to source. When people speak of twin flames and that type of thing, my twin flame is source. That's the other half of me. That's the higher counterpart of me, and that's the energetic frequency that I always want to thrive on. You know, if you're not on a source frequency, I'm probably not gonna be there. I don't even want to be there with you at all. I just want to thrive. I want to be the most high, because I am, and that's what we were designed for. You know, we weren't not designed to be here and work and pay bills and have kids and get married, have kids, and then die off. Like, nah. No. We can create whatever we want and make this world whatever we want. My job, where I work, my job is to breathe. That's a gift that is given to us from source. Just to be able to breathe is amazing. And I don't take that lightly. I wake up every day and go to work. I'm working now. But I got to get back to my nouns because, yeah, I just got to get back to it. I will talk to you guys later. I hope your nouns are freaking amazing. And if they aren't, just make them amazing. Love you.